Does frequent cannabis use change how the body handles stress? A new study led by Dr. Anita Cservenka at Oregon State University looked at this question by measuring cortisol, one of the body's main stress hormones. Here's the background. Each morning, cortisol normally rises shortly after we wake up. This cortisol awakening response is thought to help prepare the body to handle the day ahead. Some earlier research suggested this morning rise might be blunted in people with certain substance use patterns, and one recent study hinted the same might be true for chronic cannabis use. Dr. Cservenka's team set out to test whether that held up. What did they find? Interestingly, they did not find a difference in the cortisol awakening response between frequent cannabis users and non-users, so that particular earlier finding wasn't replicated. But they did notice something else. Cortisol levels at the moment of waking were higher among people who used cannabis frequently. And importantly, those higher levels were linked to the consequences people experienced from their cannabis use, the problems associated with it, rather than use alone. What does this mean? The researchers suggest that the difficulties tied to frequent cannabis use may be connected to how the body's stress system is functioning. That's a correlation, not proof of cause. This study can't tell us whether cannabis raises morning cortisol, or whether other factors are at play. But it points to a possible link worth understanding better. The takeaway the researchers highlight is a hopeful one. Efforts aimed at reducing the negative consequences of cannabis use might also have benefits for the body's physiological stress systems. They're careful to note this is an early, cross-sectional study. To really untangle cause and effect, future research would need to follow young people over time, before and after any frequent cannabis use, to see whether these stress system differences come first or come after.